Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can send money from Coinbase to Cash App. So for that you need to open up your Coinbase account first of all, and after opening up your Coinbase account you will see this option of Bitcoin over here. Just click on it, and after that you will find this option of send and receive on the top. Just click on it, and after that make sure that you select this option of send. So we will be able to send bitcoins from our Coinbase account to Cash App. So for that we will just type the amount over here. Suppose we want 1000 rupees, and the currency will be according to your country. So make sure that you select Bitcoin over here, and for the address we will go to Cash App, and on Cash App you will find the home section on the bottom left hand side corner. Just click on it, and there you will find the Bitcoin option. Just click on it, and after that you will find the option to get the Bitcoin address. Just click on it, and the address will be there. Just reveal the address, copy the address, and you will have to paste that address over here on the Coinbase. After that you can add optional message if you want to, and then click on continue. So this way you would be able to send Bitcoin of a certain amount from your Coinbase account to Cash App, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.